Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your headphones house of Marley Positive Vibration XL from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Now click the information icon near to your headphones at the device list. And right here in the third line we have a button what's called Disconnect. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. When you click Disconnect, it leaves your device at the device list. And if you click Unpair, it will remove your device totally from your phone. And now let's tap on it. As you can see, we have our headphones at the device list, but we disconnected them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!